Hello everyone, it's the Bitcoin Governor. Firstly, I want to thank you all for all your support. I really appreciate it and I hope you're learning a lot from my videos. Now have a look at my Bittrex balance. It states here 6.75 BTC. So that is a value of almost 20,000 US dollars. Now this is just one of my exchanges that I work with. The thing is, that's actually a lot of money to keep on an exchange. We really don't have any ability to control the security there. We don't know if they've been hacked, we don't know if they're going to run away with our money, so it's prudent to take a lot of the currency in these exchanges off the table, especially when you're dealing with such an amount of money. Therefore, we're going to look at how we withdraw currencies from an exchange to our personal wallets. I'm going to start with Stratis. I'm going to move Stratis to my Ledger Nano S. It's all plugged in and ready to go, so let's go to the app. So here we have it, a nice empty Stratis account, ready to go. We have the possibility to send and receive. In this case, we're going to be receiving from Bittrex. Here is our Stratis address. Now we want to head over to Bittrex and find out how we can withdraw. And if you see here, you'll see Stratis and a minus. Now this is the same with many other exchanges. I'm just focusing on Bittrex for now. Right, here is the address for the Ledger Nano S Stratis wallet. We want to know the amount. We just click here on the little up arrow and that's the full amount. Now remember, that's not the full amount you'll be getting, because you'll be paying a taxation fee of 0.20. Let's have a look at what that is. Stratis at the moment is 10.84, so that means that I have around about 1,500 US dollars in Stratis. And if we take 10.84 times 0.2, the fee is just on $2.17. So to transfer 1,500, it's going to cost $2.17. I must admit, this is pretty darn expensive. There are so many currencies out there that are a lot cheaper, but this is the situation we have, and I really want to get it off their network and onto my private wallet. Now, if you are a little bit unsure about doing this, you can always put in a smaller amount just to test. I would hate you to go ahead, put in such an amount and then find out that you put the wrong number in and you have difficulties recovering the money. So really be prudent when doing this. I actually just paused the video and went through and did a test, and as you can see, we have the transaction here. So now we can go ahead and put through the main amount. So once again, I click on receive, get the number, double check it's the correct number. And we're going to put in the main amount, press on withdrawal. Now it's going to ask me for my one-time number, and I really suggest any of you doing this should use two-factor authentication. I'll post another video on how we do that. And there we go. And we can see it is now confirmed and sitting in the wallet. Easy as that. If I want to refund the Bittrex account, I just click on send. I provide the number from Bittrex, which would be clicking on the plus, new address, and add that. Both ways are pretty much the same. I hope you all enjoyed that. I hope it wasn't too basic for you. Please let me know in the comments if this was a little bit too basic and whether you want me to focus on more advanced things. But once again, security should be always paramount to what you do, regardless if it is boring or not. I tell you, you'll know all about it after you lose your first Bitcoin. Thank you all for listening once again. Have a great day. Bitcoin Governor out.